Hey guys, it's Zoe. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be reviewing something that I normally don't wear. A lot of my YouTube videos have been makeup for my eyes and my eyebrows, you know, stuff like that. But I've never really worn foundation or highlight or bronze or anything for that. And that's because I'm really scared of being judged about, like, oh, what if my foundation doesn't match, and what if it looks different on camera, and what if it looks different in pictures and stuff. So I just typically stay away from foundation because for the most part my skin is okay. But I just do have a little bit of redness on my cheeks, and my nose gets a little bit red too. But for the most part, my skin is okay. So the foundation that I'm going to be trying today is the Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Foundation. And I asked the girl at Ulta to help me pick out my shade, and she said neutral beige. So it's a light medium color with a cool undertone. So this is what it looks like. The last time I bought foundation was for my wedding, and that was like 3 years ago. The foundation that I had before was the Cover FX foundation. Yeah, super full coverage, and it looks beautiful in photos and from afar, but if you get up close, it's like super cakey. So I wanted something that would cover up my redness, but nothing too like full coverage. And so this is the front of it, super cute. And then you open it. Is that a mirror? Oh, it is! That's awesome! So it has a mirror inside and then a little poof. Take that out, and then it opens up like that, and then you pull away the sticker and the foundation. So I'm first gonna swatch this on the back of my hand. Ooh, I like barely touched it and a lot came out. So that's what it looks like on the back of my hand. I don't know, I hope it'll match me okay. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and start applying it with the cushion, or the poof. The first thing I'm gonna do before I put the foundation on is I'm gonna prime my face with the NYX Matte Finish setting spray. Now they say that you can use this as a setting spray or as a primer as well, so I'm just gonna do a few spritz because I don't want it to affect the foundation too much. It's so weird. This smells like, it smells like alcohol. It smells like tequila. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put that foundation on. I'm nervous. I haven't worn foundation in a long time. Okay, I have my headband on, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that foundation on. It smells good. Alright, so this is what it looks like on. I know on camera it might look a little light, but if I'm being honest, like, I don't think I've ever had a more perfect matching foundation. Like, this matches my skin better than the Cover FX that I got at Sephora, and I had somebody match me. So far I really like it. It's very natural looking. It doesn't look cakey. I've been looking for like an everyday kind of foundation, and I'm really digging this. Like, this looks good. It looks really nice on. Okay, to give my face a little bit more life, I'm gonna be putting blush and bronzer on, and I'm just gonna do a very light eye makeup look. I'm gonna be taking my Tarte blush in the color Party. Now, I got this as a birthday reward at Sephora, and that's what it looks like. Alright, and for my bronzer, I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild contour palette. And I'm just going to be adding some warmth to my face. Alright, and for my highlight, I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild highlighting palette. Alright, and that is it for the face. And I'm just going to be doing a quick eye look, and then I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back with a full face of makeup on, and it doesn't look so weird with just the foundation. Yeah, let's see what it looks like without my backlight. Yeah, you can definitely tell like in real life without like the lighting or whatever, it does look really natural, I think. So yeah, I really like this foundation. If you're looking for something that's a little bit more natural and you just want just a little bit of coverage, I think this is a great foundation. I don't think if you're looking for like, you know, like Nikki Tutorials grade, full coverage, you know, white out, everything, this will not do it for you. But like if you just want, you know, to cover up your redness and just even everything out, I think this is a great foundation. You still can see like a little bit of freckles, and I have some like veins down here that you can really see, like this one you can really see. But other than that, I think it's really great. I've been looking for something like this for quite some time. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day, and if you haven't subscribed, I hope that you subscribe if you like what you see, and hit that notification bell so you can get more videos like this from me. Alright, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a good one. Bye. Oh, yeah, and another thing, guys, thank you so much. We made it to 50 subscribers. Yay! Oh, Jesus, I'm sorry. That was... Oh, it smells. Oh, I hope the fire detector doesn't go off. That was meant to be beautiful and confetti everywhere, and it's just stuck on my lamp. Alright, well, yay, 50 subscribers. Thank you so much, guys.